Okay, so these are my stuffed creamy chicken bell peppers. Very easy to make. Let's do this. Take your bell peppers and cut the tops off. Remove the insides with the seeds and the filling and everything like that. Now, sprinkle a little salt in there because what we're going to do is we're going to bake them upside down for 10 minutes. Add butter and minced garlic into a pot, along with cream cheese, whole milk mozzarella, and heavy cream. Melt that down until it's creamy and smooth. Now into shredded chicken, you want to add a half a teaspoon of salt, a fourth a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Now add your seasoned shredded chicken and your cream sauce together. Now spoon your creamy chicken into each bell pepper. With a pound of chicken, you can fill all 4 bell peppers up. Then you want to take some whole milk mozzarella that's already shredded and top each of them. If you notice in my recipes, I shred my own cheese. Now bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes just to melt the cheese and then serve it up. Be careful because the insides will be hot. Be sure to like and follow for more recipes.